Bye-bye.
Jail?
There's gotta be some mistake. I'm innocent.
Will you relax? Just help me think of something so we can get out.
I'm gonna miss my hair appointment. Oh no.
What if we flush all the water out?
Human toys are just so interesting. Huh?
Hey, put me down!
You are going to jail.
Ow! Whoa! Is she for real?
Hey, mister.
It's Sebastian!
There is no way out.
Ursula!
It's no use.
Wait! I know what to do! All these chains need is a little pinch. Ta-da! Are you coming or what?
Yay, thanks.
This way! That door is a no-go. So that leaves us the vent. Follow me!
All right.
Wait for me.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice room. Hey, Barbie, look. Is this room made for us?
It's our name.
Yay.
Remember, the only way out is the shore. Bye-bye.
Huh?
Bye-bye.
Huh? This must be for us. Seashells. I'll open this one. Huh? Wow! Oh, how exciting! I love surprises. And I love it even more when it's makeup. Oh, let's try it. I'll secure the mask at the back. Then give my face a much-needed massage. You'll never know how tense your face is until you try it. It's so relaxing. All that work is exhausting.
Classic Barbie. What's in the world? It's just a boring old sponge. Might as well use it. Oh, my makeup is totally gone. I sure hope there is makeup in this kit. Bingo! Any good makeup routine starts with the eyes. I'll dip my brush into some violet eyeshadow. We want it all over the eyelid. Then I'll take some glitter and blend it with my finger. Now I want to keep it simple for the blush and the lips. A simple nude color would do, but with a touch of sparkle. Who needs highlighter when you have glitter? Watch out, Ariel. There is a new mermaid princess in town. She's still sleeping. Hey!
Thanks for waking me up. This should be done. Voila! My makeup is ready. I could get used to this. Maybe my lips could be a tiny bit redder. Nothing a red lipstick can't fix. Now, scales are a must in mermaid land. So let's grow some, shall we? Eating one tiny scale will do the trick. It worked.
Wow! Do you have some more?
Of course. I'll give you a purple one.
Down the hatch! It worked like magic! Barbie, look!
Oh, you look stunning! Let's open the next shell. What do you have for me? A key? What does it open? Try opening yours.
Maybe it's a treasure chest? Oh, it's just seawater! Oh, there it is! Come to mommy! Ouch!
Bye-bye, ladies!
That really hurt!
Don't worry, I'll do it. I hope I don't fish any crabs. Shall we open it? I hope it's a good loot. Shimmer me timbers! We struck gold! Oh, poor thing. This will make you feel better.
It sure did! Thank you!
You are welcome. Now it's my turn to accessorize. Nice!
Oh! Wow!
There must be more in these islands.
Look! There is a map!
There must be treasure hiding in these spots. It should be right around here. Jackpot! And it fits perfectly. Let's go to the next one. What's hiding under the rock? It's a necklace. Oh, it is so beautiful. Just look at these rocks and pearls. I look like mermaid royalty, don't I? But I'm not done. There's more treasure to be found. Just like this ring. Oh, perfect. Perfect!
Well, aren't you lucky? Map says there is something here. Surely they don't mean this coconut. Wow, I bet there is treasure inside. It's too hard. Stubborn little thing. Oh, come on! Watch out! Oops, sorry.
That hurt and did nothing.
I know how to crack it open. This coconut is no match for this high heel.
Whoa!
Let's see what we have here. This necklace is so me. How do I look?
Oh, like a queen.
Oh, hey, little guy.
Look at this face. Oh, look, we got gills. They are so slay.
I love it.
Dolls, it's time to… Where did they go? This is unacceptable. That skimming lobster is behind this. They dare defy me? I know where they went. I'll come at them stronger than a tsunami. It's all coming together. Yay! What's next? Say Oh, what is it?
Wow.
It's a closet full of clothes. Cute, but it's dirty. I can't wear this. Unless you're going in the washer. I'll wash it in some glitter, so it comes out sparkling. Now let's wait for it to do its magic. It's done. One glittery top coming right up. Wow, it's so cute. Let me try it on. Don't look.
Oops. Wow.
Fits like a glove. Perfect.
Cool. I want one of those. Wow. Is that a sewing machine? Let's get to work. First, I'll cut the clothes right down the middle. Then get rid of the excess. Now let's take this bad boy for a spin, shall we? I'll use the machine to combine the clothes together. We want them on top of each other. Next, take a glue stick and go to town on it. Then sprinkle glitter all over it. The sparkler, the better. And we're done. How about a try-on? Wow, check me out!
Oh, lovely! We've got a few more shells to go. Oh, that never gets old. Huh? Must be a puzzle of some sort. Aha! They are scales! I'll stick them on top of each other until they make a tail. Check this out. I'm ready to catch some waves.
Wow, I have to make my own tail too. I'll lay this on top of the drawing. It needs to be completely covered. We don't want a toe left behind. Wow! Mission accomplished! And we both look amazing!
We're mermaids! We are gonna turn heads underwater.
Period!
Ooh, are you okay? Let's do the next shell.
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
It's a crown!
Did I just become a princess?
We sure did!
Oh!
Twinsies! Let's open the last one, shall we?
Whoa! What is that?
Black pearl? What does it mean? Huh?
Weird. Found you at last.
Evil mermaid!
I sure am.
Well, take this!
Ha! Is that your best shot? You need practice.
We gotta go.
You ready?
Swim!
Off to shore, huh? What the? What is happening to me? No!
Huh? It's too dark. I'll shine a light in it. What treasure shall I found down there? Bingo! Pink nail polish. Lucky.
That's exactly what I need.
Let's get down to painting. I'll start with the bottom, then swab it to the top of the nail. Repeat for all 5 fingers. Then add some decorations. Did you think I was gonna forget about the glitter? This little mermaid is sparkling all over. What do you think?
It's too pink for me. I sure hope I find something darker. Seems like a normal drawing. There you are. Just the shade I wanted. I'll dab nail polish on every finger. Then I'll get right into decorating. Everything I need is in this container. I'll sprinkle the stars right on the wet nail polish.
Nice! Let's open the lost shell together.
Wow!
I see you are done with the makeover.
It's you!
Let's show off our looks. So, what do you think?
Let's see. You've got the bedazzled look down. Sparkling from the headpiece all the way down to the tail. Good.
What about me?
Oh, shells. Nice touch. And girl, you are sparkling. And great job on that tail. You are going to the party.
Yay! Wow!
We're finally in!
Hey, welcome!
You guys look amazing. Where did you get your hair done? It's about to go down.
I know a great spot over there.
Yeah, we made it!
Yay! It's so fun!
My job here is done.
Whew, it's boiling in here. I need a drink. Huh?